Good morning children, welcome back to our maths class. So in our last class we have seen about 155 page number up to question number 3. Now today's turn about the question number 4. What is written here? Usha and Valsamma are running a race. So they both are running a race. Then Usha is running on the inner circle. Where is Usha? She is the Usha. She is running on the inner circle. Valsamma is running on the outer circle and Varsamma is running on the outer circle. Right? Two participants are there, Usha and Varsamma. They have taken part in the running race. So Usha is running on the inner circle and Valsamma is running on the outer circle. After that, what is given? Valsamma run faster than Usha, but she is very faster than Usha. But still she loses the race. Then also she loses the race. वो हार गई. Though she is running very fast, then also she loses the. Can you guess why? क्यों वो हार गई? Can you tell me? So the reason is there, the length of the boundary of the inner circle is smaller and the length of the boundary of the outer circle is greater. So though she runs very fast, Usha will win the race and she has to lose the race. So question I have written here and answer also. What answer I have written? Since the inner circle has shorter boundary than the outer circle, right? इनर सर्कल की बाउंड्री छोटी है और आउटर सर्कल की बड़ी है. एंड वलसम्मा रन्स ऑन द आउटर सर्कल. सो और वलसम्मा कहाँ रन कर रही थी? ऑन द आउटर सर्कल. वाइल उषा रन्स ऑन द इनर सर्कल. सो वलसम्मा हैज़ टू कवर मोर डिस्टेंस. वलसम्मा को ज़्यादा डिस्टेंस कवर करना पड़ेगा. बिकॉज ऑफ दिस शी लूजेज द रेस. और उसी कारण से वो रेस क्या हो गई? लूज हो गई यानी हार गई. आफ्टर दैट डाउन साइड अनदर क्वेश्चन इज गिवन. The same page number 156. Have you seen any race where runners start from the different places? Like in this picture, guess why? Can you see they are standing on the different places? Here in this one, they are standing on this. The starting point is the same. Right? Here the starting point is the same for the both participants. But here all the three participants has to stand on the different places and the end point is the same. Why it is like that? It is like that because to make the distance equal for each child, right? जितना ये दौड़ेगी उतना ही ये दौड़ेगी और उतना ही this person will also run. So to make the distance equal, they have to make the starting point in this way. So let's write in the sentence form. So have you seen? So for that answer is there. Yes, I have seen the race where runners start from the different places. This race is organized in circular track. Such arrangement is made to make the distance equal. क्यों करते हैं? क्योंकि सबके लिए जो distance है वो equal होना चाहिए. That's why they are keeping in this way and this round circle is called the track. Okay. In our school also, whenever the sport day is there, at that day in the relay race, students are standing in this way on some distance, right? Why? To maintain the equal distance for each and every child or each and every participants. Afterwards, page number 157 of the textbook. What is written here? School garden. The student of class 3 and 4 thought of making a vegetable garden. Standard 3rd and standard 4 children, they thought that to make the vegetable garden. They choose a place which look like this. They choose the place which look like this given in the textbook. Now what is written? Students of the both classes thought that the garden one was bigger. So both wanted to take garden 1. Suddenly Neetu said, I think both gardens are equally big. Then another girl said, quite possible. Let us find out if you are right. Then the question is here, how will Neetu find out if the two gardens are equally big? So here it is the talk about the standard 3rd children and standard 4 children. What they thought? They thought to make a vegetable garden, and for that they have given these two types of the field. In the between the two field, path is there. But what they thought, both children thought that garden 1 is bigger than the garden 2, and then they started quarreling with each other. ये कहता है कि मुझे garden 1 चाहिए, and they said that we want the garden 1. And at that time the Neetu, why they said, because they thought that the garden 1 is the bigger. Then Neetu said, I thought, उसे ऐसे लगता है कि both gardens are same. The another girl said कि okay, ऐसा मुझे भी लगता है. So let's find out. तो नीतू कैसे find out करेगी that both the gardens are same? See children, here somebody said me that in the class that we have to find out the perimeter of the both gardens. So yes, it is right to find out the perimeter of the both garden. But lengths are not given here. So how can we find out the perimeter? So one idea is there. What we'll need to do? Neetu will take the rope and she keep here and keep the rope in this way. Okay, when the rope will come on the end, on this end, she take out the rope, and with the same rope she will again measure garden 2. So from that she come to know which one is the bigger and which one is the smaller. But after counting this, she comes to know that after comparing this, she comes to know that the garden 1 and garden 2 both are the equal. Okay, so let's write in the sentence form. How will Neetu find out if the two gardens are equally big? So Neetu will place a long rope along the boundary of garden 1 and measure the length of the boundary. Again, she will place the rope along the boundary of garden 2 and measure its length. After comparing, she will find that the length of the boundaries of both the gardens are equal. Okay, so this is the answer.